Hey, today me and my little baby are going to wrap this Ford emblem on this Ford Ranger. I've already got a piece of carbon fiber cut. This is a carbon fiber wrap, that I found on the internet a long time ago, and I have made a silver decal that's going to go over the top of this. And let's get it up here and see what we can do. Yes, baby. Pretty good quality. I don't know if you're gonna see that. That's pretty good quality. Alright. I'm gonna stick it over that. Get some air bubbles out. Get it up there pretty good. I got one little air bubble doesn't want to cooperate. Good thing about this is I can take it off and put it back on. All right. You see, and now I'll show you this in just a second. All right, and I took my squeegee and got my edge up there, so now I can get around that edge with my knife, and then we'll have us a circle. Okay, I got it carbon fiber cut out. Man, I like the way that looks, just like it is. But I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it up there anyways. I'm gonna put it up there anyways. I hope y'all can hear me. Kind of quiet. Well, let's see. I've already kind of pre-cut this to get it about like I want, and I know it's not going to be perfect, but I really don't care. Because this is my personal truck. And I hope y'all are enjoying this, and check out my other videos, and there we go. Silver on carbon fiber. Thank you for watching.